Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and to this video I'm going to show you on how to disable remote desktop on Windows laptop. So let's see. All right, so the very first thing you need to do is to come down below right here where you have your start button. Right click on it and then be sure you navigate to settings just like so. Next thing you need to do is to go to system right here. It's open up this way. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down to remote desktop right here. And this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to simply turn off this button and remote desktop setting, disable remote desktop, then click on confirm. It's as simple as that. Everyone you had as your remote co-worker, everybody will be turned off and then you will have full access to your PC. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to disable remote desktop on your Windows laptop. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Windows laptop. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. So.